kunento engike ngayisho last ukuthi that is why we can't pray the promises of God. Asikwazi ukuthi sikhulekele izethembiso but siphule izahlulelo zikaNkulunkulu ngoba you cannot pray the promises and break izahlulelo nezimiso zikaNkulunkulu. Sometimes abanye abantu abayitholi breakthrough only because they continue to pray but they break, because God is a God of principles. So if uyakhuleka you claim those promises uzibona azenzeki, kungenzeka ukuthi azenzeki ngoba you are breaking the principles of God. So uNkulunkulu ke uMose uyabakhumbuza, ukhuluma nabo, ubakhumbuza imiyalelo lo uNkulunkulu abanike yona. We cannot change them bazalwane. uNkulunkulu wama generation wonke, imiso, izahlulelo, imiyalo kaNkulunkulu, we cannot change them noma sesithanda.